upgrading to video doorbell. This is the original doorbell, but because this one output is only 6 volt, so I need to change it to something that can take 16 volt to 24 volt. As you can see, this one is made by Deta, DETA, and it's one of the doorbell that doesn't produce enough power for a wireless video doorbell. So once I've done it, remove this, put the new one in, then I'll let you know. And another thing, I'll have to install a transformer that's capable of 8 to 24 volts there. Okay, thank you. This is my current video doorbell, which I'm gonna be upgrading. This one is made by Ring, so I'm gonna be getting Nest. And this is the old doorbell, as you can see. It's not a good idea to have the two out there. Okay, this is the inside of the data unit. This is how it's wired up. So I'm gonna be removing the whole unit. Actually, that's the chime, and that's the transformer there. So I'm gonna be removing the whole unit. I might keep the box and just to make things look tidy, really. But anyway, you guys will know once I finish, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay. These are what I'll be using for the project. Using a Google Nest Hello with a Honeywell Festival doorbell and a voltage transformer. So they're going to be replacing the Ring video doorbell. Thank you. I'm going to be replacing the existing doorbell with a Google Nest Hello, Honeywell Festival, and a 24 volt transformer. Once all these are up and running, and then I'll post another video to show how it's working, whether it's working at all. Oh, okay. In the new bell unit, the chime, as well as the transformer, voltage transformer on the wall now. Okay, almost there. This is the Google Nest Hello that's gonna go on the wall outside as the new doorbell. So let's see what it's got inside. Just go down. We've got the manuals, and this one goes into the transformer. There should be drill bits in here, and this is the plate that goes to back plates, and this one as well go on the outside wall. Okay, well, let you know. Scary. Testing before I connect everything back up, just to make sure it works first before I take this outside the door, connect it. This is the finished work. This is the final work. The final is finished now. So tidy it up a little bit and put the connector outside instead of inside the chime. So anyway, it's working. Everything's working as it's supposed to, and the video comes through clear.